it was great value for starters, and they got a great reputation, and the staff were very friendly, no problems. They gave me a good deal, and as she said, I'd never wear it out in my lifetime. It goes well, very, very well. You hop in there, it's just wonderful. 8 hours just sitting there, wonderful. Air conditioning, wireless, no one annoys you, just a dream come true. And I can hear the mobile phone when it rings. Most definitely. Actually, other people have recommended me back to go there as well. Very pleased.